Welcome back to GMC Live Reviews. Live reviewing Kendwa Rocks on the north west coast of Zanzibar, and we
Chef Firdaus. I'm here, Chef Firdaus, and making Indian bread.
Oh, wow.
It's naan and some seed bread for your lunch.
Oh wow, let's have a look.
Yep.
Chef Firdaus is the resident chef at Kendwa Rocks, and he's been looking after us, cooking tandoori kebabs in his live cooking station. Yeah, very nice oven, and wow, that's lovely. Yeah, live cooking is important these days, you know. People want to see what you're cooking and where you're cooking.
Yeah.
And it's great to do it in front of people. While people are enjoying the beach, they come and grab a few kebabs and come and have a look at how it's done. Wow, and then it goes in the oven. Oh, on the side, huh? Look at that. That's incredible.
This is sesame naan.
Sesame naan. Oh, the naans are wonderful. You know, it's such a great.
This is white and black sesame. White and black sesame.
It's incredible how he sticks it onto the side of this oven. And can't wait. I'm so hungry now.
Master, come sir.
That's unbelievable. It just sticks there, cooks, 2 minutes, it's ready. Mine would fall off, definitely.
Okay, now time for cheese naan.
Ah, a cheese one. It's all in the dough, eh? That dough has to be the right consistency.
Yes.
And that's why I can't make it. That's incredible. This is the things that you learn from experienced chefs, and you
From
know,
India over UAE, Dubai, Sharjah.
you've worked a long time there, and now we are lucky enough to have you on Zanzibar,
Yep.
part of the
Thank you.
Kendwa Rocks team, and preparing the naan here in the fresh oven.
Bread basket. Bread basket. Basket.
You know, a live cooking station
Yeah.
is not always the
Yeah.
easiest, you know. Look at that, came out.
Kata mi mani. This is butter naan.
Yeah, the butter naans are really good, eh? Wow. Huh. No, I'm very impressed, I must say. So the side of this oven is the right temperature to get the naan nicely prepared. Oh wow, that is a lot of skill. I would have dropped it inside, eh? Wow. Look at that. So in 5 minutes we have a cheese naan, butter naan, and a normal naan. And wow, we were gonna go now, but I'm definitely gonna stay now and have some lunch first with some nice tandoori kebabs, mint, and wow, lovely lunch. Perfect. Karel Verhoef, GMC Live Reviews. I'm with Chef Hadash,
Yes.
all the way from India, and we're blessed to have you on Zanzibar Island. Chef, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Most welcome.
Keep up the good work and good luck for season.
Thank you very much.
Then there's a lot more people to
Most
look
welcome.
after. Thank you very much. Asante Nisana. Naskuru, he's got a very good team with him. And
Sabah, Saleh, Tyson,
Tyson.
and Richard.
And Richard. Thank you guys.
team.
Naskuru Sana.
Thank you.
Kazi and Gemma.
Thank you very much.
Karel Verhoef, GMC Live Reviews from Kendwa Rocks with Chef Fadash, and he's teaching us the trade of how to cook naan in an open fire. We'll chat to you soon.
I'll bring to you that.
Oh wow, yeah, and we just wanted to show you all the kebabs and tandoori that came off the live cooking station, and wow,
This is tandoori. This is platter. This is called tandoori platter. You have tandoori chicken, the white snapper, tandoori prawns,
Yeah.
tandoori wings, some malai kebab. It's called like cheese kebab,
yeah,
and haryali kebab. It's mint and coriander paste is there, and some resmi kebab. It's here resmi kebab.
okay, and that's
And I have paneer tikka, very good. This is fresh homemade cheese
yeah,
with chips
okay,
and with
some,
mint sauce.
some mint sauce on the side and some chips.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Chips.
Chef.
Thank you
Absolutely,
very
I'm
much.
going to take this with me, just like this.
Yep.
The whole platter and the small one. Thank you very much, Chef. Naskuru Sana. Karel Verhoef, GMC Live Reviews, live cooking from Kendwa Rocks. We'll chat to you soon.